Introducing the Norwood Lumber Pro HD36. Whether you're a commercial sawyer looking to build a business and earn a good income, or a private woodlot owner looking to build your dream projects, the Lumber Pro HD36 is engineered big enough, rugged enough, and productive enough to handle it. The Lumber Pro handles logs 36 inches in diameter and saws beams and boards a full 28 inches wide. Standard, the Lumber Pro mills logs 13 feet long. Add extension sections to saw logs of any length, even 50-foot beams for post and beam homes. The Lumber Pro cuts through hardwoods and softwoods alike. Boards come off the mill so smooth, it gives the term rough sawn lumber a whole new meaning. The commercial-grade 16 horsepower Briggs & Stratton V-twin is standard, or choose the more powerful optional 23 horsepower. A 240-volt electric motor is also available. The patented log rests automatically lock in place. Sight scales take the guesswork out of adjusting your rests. Rollers are provided for assisted log rolling, and the stops reposition quickly to act as board and cant stops. Norwood owners can now easily access the log rests from the operator's side of the mill using Norwood's patented log rest actuators. Using the log rest actuators, the operator no longer needs to reach over the log to set the log rests. Simple to operate, the actuators allow for accurate adjustment up or down. Norwood is the only company that offers this time-saving device. Cross bunks are designed narrow to shed debris that could accidentally collect under cants, causing dimensional errors. Stainless steel bunk caps prevent staining of cants and boards. Logs and beams are securely clamped with the Lumber Pro's heavy-duty cam-operated log dogs. Most logs are not perfectly round or straight, and therefore often have a mind of their own when rotating and clamping them. Norwood's patented automatic dog assists tame those kind of logs by automatically following the log. This streamlines the typical two-handed, two-step dogging process into a smooth one-step system. In many cases, a single auto dog will sufficiently hold the log securely, making secondary clamping unnecessary. Use 2 auto dog assists simultaneously for 100% automatic dogging. Norwood is the only company that offers this convenient feature. Some folks often put down the log deck of the Lumber Pro. Some say it's made of aluminum and therefore not strong. Others say it looks like Swiss cheese. So, to prove a point, we removed all normal center supports and suspended the log deck only at each end. We then loaded logs weighing almost 10,000 pounds across the deck where there were no supports. This, of course, puts much more strain onto the structure than normal. The Lumber Pro's log deck is double-layered galvanized steel with engineered strengthening debossments. These debossments are the multiple concave structures shaped right into each layer. This enables both layers to precisely locate and nest together. A patented series of flanged bolts firmly lock them in place to give the structure greater strength and torsional stability than ordinary box beam type construction. With almost 5 tons loaded across the deck, with center supports removed, the total weight was much more than the biggest log you could ever mill. Even under these extreme conditions, downward deflection was only 1/4 of an inch. When the logs were removed, the deck returned to normal. So, to the naysayers, point made. The Lumber Pro enables fast cycle times and is easy to operate. Just lower the saw head, activate the operator's control, and guide the blade through the cut. The Lumber Pro is so fast, so efficient, it's hard to call it a manual mill. The Lumber Pro's single-action, multifunction operator's control simultaneously throttles up the engine, engages the clutch, and turns on the water loop. Releasing the control automatically stops these functions. All the controls terminate at the operator station. The control handle is adjustable to suit various heights, making for a comfortable working position too. The patented self-locking saw head does away with time-consuming operator functions. Simply set your depth of cut and mill. Each rotation of the saw head handle enables rapid setting for 1-inch boards. For milling 1-inch boards, there is simply no faster system. To mill other board thicknesses, refer to the quarter scale with built-in kerf allowance. Also available are woodworkers' specialty scales and metric denominated scales. A lumber production table is included standard. The self-locking blade guide supports the blade and speeds operating time. Used portion of the blade is automatically shielded. The Lumber Pro's DuraGuide ceramic blade guides give full 3-sided blade support for maximum stability. The Norwood blade guides are CNC machined from aluminum billet material to form a precision housing that hold the blade guide ceramics. These zirconium-strengthened alumina oxide ceramics are made to precise tolerances and provide superior support and guidance for the blade to better control blade flutter and blade deflection. These advanced alumina ceramics enable a blade to run smoother, cooler, and considerably quieter than other guide types. With proper use, they will last for years, and they prolong blade life by 30%. Norwood's custom-molded water reservoir with wide port opening and tethered cap enables easy refilling. Water flow can be set to suit your preference. Water automatically starts flowing to the blade when you activate the operator control. Water flows directly onto the blade at the point of entry into the log. Water flow automatically stops when you release the operator control. The Lumbermate is designed to mill boards to within 1 inch of the bed. Mill 2x4s, 4x4s, 2x6s, 2x10s. You can flat saw, quarter saw, resaw, resize, and to maximize board yield, group flitches of similar size for edging. Norwood's smooth-cutting, thin-kerf silicone steel blades mean you get a maximum of lumber and a minimum of sawdust. Mill veneer as thin as 1/16 of an inch, or large customized square beams. You can mill exactly what you want, when you want. The Lumber Pro is always in stock and can be shipped immediately to your door. This means you get your mill in days, not weeks.